As the state gears up to file formal charges against the accused killer of Charlie Kirk, 22-year-old Tyler Robinson, we asked unaffiliated criminal defense attorney Sky Lazaro about this case.
Natalie Wattis, live for us in Utah County. And Natalie, what did Lazaro tell you?
Well, Lazaro says that the release of Robinson's mugshot and prominent figures like Governor Cox calling for the death penalty could make this case more difficult if it goes to trial.
These cases are always really difficult, where we see a lot of news media coverage on a national, very national level. It's essentially hitting every market. It does get more and more difficult to see a fair jury trial if this case does proceed to a jury.
Criminal defense attorney Sky Lazaro is not affiliated with the case.
The politicizing of this case is going to make it more difficult. You don't have to prove motive to prove a murder. It comes down to, is he the individual who fired the shot that resulted in the death of Mr. Kirk? That is what they're going to need to prove.
22-year-old Tyler Robinson of Washington County, Utah, was booked into Utah County Jail on charges including first-degree felony aggravated murder. Formal charges have not been filed yet, but are expected Tuesday.
Because we've seen so much in the media, and that's just the world that we live in right now, they've put in some certain protections. They call a larger number of jurors, things like that, to try to ensure that you get people on there who are at least seemingly or will say that they're unbiased in the case.
Robinson's mugshot has been released in connection with the assassination of Charlie Kirk, despite state law saying they should not be released until a person is convicted.
I think it's unfortunate in a lot of ways that this has become so politicized and that those photographs have been released.
Prominent figures like Governor Cox and U.S. President Donald Trump have also advocated for the death penalty in this case.
I think that always makes it more difficult when you have political figures coming out, taking a stance on a case. Essentially what happens is people get judged in the court of public opinion when we still don't even have a case filed.
Lazaro says it's up to the Utah County Attorney's Office whether they will seek the death penalty in this case. Live in Utah County, Natalie Wattis, KATV 2 News.